Unlocking the health benefits of ginger lemon tea. What if I told you that something as simple as drinking 1 cup of ginger lemon tea every day could unlock health benefits you never imagined? From turbocharging your immune system to enhancing mental clarity, this tea is more powerful than you think. And stay with me until the end. I'll reveal a surprising benefit that even regular tea drinkers might not know. Let's start with the basics. What is ginger lemon tea? Ginger lemon tea is a natural infusion made by steeping fresh ginger slices or ginger root with lemon juice or lemon slices in hot water. This simple yet potent combination brings together 2 ancient remedies that have stood the test of time. Ginger is originating from Southeast Asia. Ginger contains powerful bioactive compounds, mainly gingerols and shogols. These give ginger its distinctive spicy flavor and remarkable health benefits. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, flavonoids, and citric acid. Lemon not only enhances flavor, but also boosts the body's natural defenses and digestion. Together, they create a beverage that is both soothing and energizing. Let's uncover the science behind their combined powers. One of the top benefits of ginger lemon tea is its ability to strengthen your immune system. Both ginger and lemon are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that help your body fight infections. Let's talk about the ginger's role. The key compound, gingerol, has anti-inflammatory properties and acts as a natural antibacterial agent. It enhances the body's ability to resist common infections, including colds and flu. Let's get into the lemon's contribution. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for immune health. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off pathogens. Here is a quick tip. Drinking this tea regularly during flu season can provide an added layer of protection against viruses. Ginger has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years to aid digestion. It promotes the production of digestive enzymes, which help break down food more efficiently. Ginger helps soothe the digestive tract and alleviate issues like indigestion, bloating, and nausea. Lemon stimulates bile production, which aids in fat digestion and detoxification. This combination is particularly helpful after a heavy meal. If you suffer from acid reflux or heartburn, sipping ginger lemon tea can provide relief. Ginger lemon tea is an excellent addition to your weight loss journey, thanks to its natural ability to boost metabolism and aid digestion. Let's talk about the thermogenic effect of ginger in weight loss. Ginger increases thermogenesis, the process your body uses to generate heat and burn calories. This effect means you burn more calories even while at rest. Lemon's detoxifying properties also contribute to weight loss. Lemons detoxify the liver, a critical organ for fat metabolism. A well-functioning liver ensures that fat is processed efficiently, reducing fat storage in the body. Both ginger and lemon can suppress appetite. Drinking a cup of ginger lemon tea before meals can make you feel fuller, helping you consume fewer calories. Here is a pro tip. Replace sugary drinks with ginger lemon tea for a calorie-free beverage that supports weight loss goals. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to serious health issues like arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. Ginger lemon tea offers a natural way to combat inflammation. Anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger are gingerols and shogols, which block the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. These compounds reduce inflammation at a cellular level. Lemon contain antioxidants. The vitamin C and flavonoids in lemons help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, a key driver of chronic inflammation. Drinking this tea regularly can help manage inflammatory conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, and joint pain. A healthy heart is essential for a long, active life. Ginger lemon tea promotes cardiovascular health in several ways. Here are the ginger's cardioprotective effects. Studies show that ginger can lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries. It also improves blood circulation, reducing the risk of clot formation. Lemons are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. The antioxidants in both ginger and lemon protect heart tissues from oxidative damage. If you have a family history of heart disease, incorporating ginger lemon tea into your routine can be a simple preventive measure. Ginger is one of the most effective natural remedies for nausea, including morning sickness during pregnancy and motion sickness. How ginger works. Compounds like gingerol and shogaol act on the gastrointestinal tract, soothing the stomach lining and reducing feelings of nausea. The refreshing scent and taste of lemon can also help calm the stomach. For motion sickness, drink a cup of ginger lemon tea about 30 minutes before traveling to prevent nausea. During pregnancy, pregnant women can benefit from this tea, but it's best to consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice. In today's world, we are exposed to toxins from food, air, and water. Detoxification is essential for maintaining health, and ginger lemon tea is a natural detoxifier. Ginger contains liver-cleansing properties. Ginger stimulates the liver, promoting the removal of toxins. It also helps improve liver function, ensuring the body efficiently processes waste. Lemon's alkalizing effect. Although acidic in nature, lemon alkalizes the body when metabolized. An alkaline environment helps neutralize toxins and improve overall health. Here is a morning routine tip. Drinking ginger lemon tea on an empty stomach can kickstart your metabolism and flush out toxins accumulated overnight. Healthy, glowing skin starts from within. The antioxidants and vitamins in ginger lemon tea can help you achieve clear, radiant skin. Ginger has anti-aging properties. Ginger combats oxidative stress, reducing the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. It also promotes blood circulation, which delivers more oxygen and nutrients to skin cells. Vitamin C in lemon also play a vital role in skin health. This essential vitamin boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Lemon's antibacterial properties also help fight acne. Here is a DIY skin toner for a youthful skin. Cooled ginger lemon tea can be applied as a natural toner to reduce oiliness and refresh the skin. Feeling sluggish or mentally drained? A cup of ginger lemon tea might be the boost you need. Ginger has cognitive benefits. Ginger improves blood circulation, including to the brain. This increased blood flow can enhance focus, concentration, and memory. Lemon has a power of mood boosting. The aroma of lemon has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, promoting mental clarity. Here is the pro tip for you. Start your day with ginger lemon tea instead of coffee for sustained mental energy without the jitters. Ginger lemon tea is a classic remedy for sore throats and coughs. Anti-inflammatory properties of ginger soothes throat irritation and reduces inflammation. Lemon's vitamin C supports the immune system and helps fight off infections. Add a teaspoon of honey for an extra soothing effect and natural sweetness. Here's the surprising benefit we mentioned at the beginning. Ginger lemon tea can help regulate blood sugar levels. Ginger enhances insulin sensitivity, helping the body process glucose more effectively. Lemon has a low glycemic index. It helps to prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. This makes ginger lemon tea a great choice for people managing diabetes or trying to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. So, there you have it. 10 powerful benefits of drinking 1 cup of ginger lemon tea daily. From boosting your immunity and supporting heart health to enhancing mental clarity and even regulating blood sugar levels, this simple tea offers an array of health benefits. Are you ready to add this super drink to your daily routine? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.